Question: zygote after multiplication in angiosperm develop in answer embryo to N. Next question: aquatic mammals is answer Balanopetra. Next question: fluoridine stretch is similar to answer amylopectin glycyrrhizine. Next question: gastrovascular cavity with single opening in found in answer coelenterate. Next question: angiosperm is formed answer after fertilization. Answer select the correct statement. Answer in vertebrates the notochord is replaced by cardigans or boundary vertebral column. And B, the cephalochordates, the notochord is extend from head to tail region and is present throughout life. And C, protochordata are exclusively marine. Question: red algae are mostly answer multicellular. Next question: which is known as Portugal's man of war? Answer Felicilla. Next question: fruit formation in angiosperm take place by answer development of ovary after fertilization. Next question: the other name of branchiostoma. Answer Epioxis lanceolate. Next question: correct matches answer reptiles with Celion, Testuda, Camplion, and Aves is correct matches Pasticula, Aptenoides, and Nephron. And C, mammals is correct matching with elephants, rats, and delphines. Next question: fluorine stretch is stored by food in answer some algae. Next question: the phylum in which first time nervinator arise. Answer coelenterate. Answer. Next question: find out the incorrect matching. Answer amphibian is incorrect matches with NASA and Bangalore coyotes. Question: which is rat? Answer Ratus. Next question: the spores and gametes of red algae are answer both non-motile. Next, coelenterate asexual reproduce by answer budding. Next question: meiosis in plant can take place in answer only diploid species. Next question: vertebrates have answer A, vertebral muscular heart with 3, 2, or 4 chamber. B, kidneys for extraction and osmogulation. And C, paired appendages which may be fine or limbs. Question: which mammals have aerial adaptation? Answer bat. Next question: select the incorrect statement. Answer notochord is present in tail of adult in Urochordata is incorrect statement. Next question: sexual reproduction of poisonous type in found in answer red algae, green algae, and brown algae. Next question: the larva stage shown by coelenterate is called answer planula. Next question: the helipoda plant body produce dash and is referred to as answer gametophytes and it is referred to as gametophyte. Next question: the basic fundamental feature which enable us to broadly classify the animal kingdom are answer level of organization symmetry, B, cell organization column, and C, segmentation of notochord. Next question: the most reduced type of sexual reproduction is found in the members of answer red algae. Next question: match the following columns. It is match first with 5 Phycilla with Portuguese and B with 4 Adamasis with C anemone and C with 3 Pentavola is C pen and D with Georgian with C fan and E with Brincole and 6 Mandriana with even and Aurela with jellyfish.